Uh-oh. Well, let's see what this is. Took about 3 weeks to get that low. Aha! Look at that. Went to Amazon and AUTOWN Tire Repair Kit. Basically $19.99. And let's see what you get. Looks like a standard old school plugging kit. Plugs. Let's give this a shot. 20 bucks. It would cost at least that much to take it to a shop. Here are the basic directions. I'll let you take a look at it. Looks pretty straightforward. Huh. This is what came with the kit. I'll at least give this a shot. Okay, it's coming out. Oh, there it is. A little bit of air left in there. Here's what I pulled out. Let's try this. I can't put too much force because the wheel just moves. Next thing to do is, I guess, lube it.
Ooh.
You just dip this in there and then put it in. No idea how much. So. Then the next thing is I take one of these and I put it in there. I just peel this off, I guess. I'm just smashing it through. Yeah, that looks about halfway. Maybe this is easier when it's on the ground. Okay, well. Okay, it comes with a nice razor. So I let this sit for a good half hour. The directions did not call for that, but I just thought I'd let it vulcanize or whatever it does for a half hour. Now I'm just gonna fill this up to like 32 or 33 PSI, and this came with the kit as well. This kit comes with everything. Let's see, what is this? According to this, it's 32, 34.
Tomorrow. 1 week later. 2 weeks later.
Looks like 33.
3 weeks later.
33.
4 to 6 weeks later.
This is week 4. I think this will be the last check. What do we have here? Above it's 33. I am going to call this success. If this pops out during driving or there's something that changes this review, I will add a card at the end